Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your foggy headlights and make them look new again. I'm going to show you a unique process that's easy, fast, and inexpensive, and that requires zero aerosol spray cans at all. That means you won't have to know how to spray and you won't have to mask any of your headlights at all. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the kit we're going to be using comes from the brand Sylvania. This kit is really awesome and the results last a really long time, and it's super easy to use. It uses four basic pieces. There's pads for cleaning and coating, compounding for sanding. Here's the clear coat and an activator for the plastic, and here's three different grades of sandpaper. So let's get into step number one. So step number one, you want to spray this surface activator onto the headlight. It's going to loosen up all the oxidation, and then you're going to let it sit for 30 seconds and then wipe it down. Don't worry about getting this on the paint. The stuff is designed so that it can't hurt your paint. And then once that's done, you want to wash it down with water and clean it. See the yellow, the difference it's already making. So now we want to sand the headlight with 400 grit sandpaper. We can use a little bit of water to help with this. Next step is 1000 grit sandpaper. The next step is 2000. Let's do this. So now the next step, we want to use this compound in combination with this rag and start to buff the lens. That much is probably the perfect amount. All right. Now, after we buffed it, we want to use the surface activator again and wash off the lens. So now the next step is the UV block clear coat. This is a really important step, and you just want to make sure you're getting even coverage, and you can't go back and put another coat on. So you just want to make sure that you coat evenly. So let's do it. And you'll be using this blue cloth. So wow, that really looks amazing. That looks so much better. So that's it. That's all it takes. Super easy, very straightforward. Probably took about 10 minutes to do this headlight. I'll overlay some footage right now to show you the side by side between the two. But altogether, super easy, super quick, and should last a while. The kit cost only about $20. So it really is amazingly inexpensive compared to buying aerosol cans and spraying and masking or using a polisher that's connected to a drill. All those other methods, they work. They're just not nearly as amazing as this method and not nearly as seamless and easy. So if you learned something new and you like this video, leave a like. And if you want to see more cool, unique projects in the future, please subscribe. I have some amazing, unique projects coming up that you're not going to want to miss. So yeah, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.